Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A. You have to start by open EDIFIER Home application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then you will see it at the device list and you just tap on it. Now you need to go to the settings, the right side, and right here at the bottom we have user manual. Just tap at this line and it will open user manual for us. Right here we have 5 sections, so just select the best one for you, let's say operation, and right here you can find information about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!